Hi, to use camera filters on Samsung Galaxy S25 as a first step, let's open camera. And now to actually find filters, we need to tap for that icon, scroll a bit left, and find this one with like bubbles. And here they are. So you can swipe left to check all of them. Here you'd see its name. So this one is glow, this one is amber. Also, you can find strength here, color temperature, contrast, saturation, film grain. And you can manually adjust each of these settings. For example, we can change contrast here. If you want to bring it back to the default, then tap this arrow like that. So as you can see, there are a lot, and we can also tap this arrow right here and even download some of the filters. So let's download this one, for example. And now it is installed, so we can go back and find it right in our camera, which is pretty amazing. We can also touch and hold filters to delete or reorder like this. And you can create your own filter by tapping this plus, selecting picture to use as a filter, and then tap button create. Here you can rename it. If you tap on the name, on the current name, tap rename, and now it is creating filters, so just tap done. And if you want to compare it to the original color temperature, then tap here view original and hold and release. So this one is filtered, this one is original. And now just find filter you want to take photo with, tap any black space on the screen or this arrow, and tap camera shutter button to take a photo. Also filters you can find on top. If you can see that this last icon lights up orange, then filter is turned on. To turn off, just tap it, go back to the original and use this back arrow. And that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.